What happens to a living will after death? Have you ever wondered what happens to a living will once someone passes away? It is a common question, especially as we think about retirement and estate planning. A living will is a legal document that outlines a person's medical care preferences if they become unable to communicate. This document is vital during critical health situations, like terminal illness or permanent unconsciousness. However, once a person dies, the living will no longer holds any legal power. Its primary purpose is to guide medical decisions while the individual is alive but incapacitated. After death, the living will is considered moot because there is no longer a need for medical treatment decisions. Essentially, the document becomes inactive and does not play a role in managing the deceased person's estate or assets. At this point, the last will and testament takes over. If a person has a last will and testament, it directs how their property, assets, and other matters should be handled after they pass away. This document is separate from the living will and is crucial for estate planning. For retirees, understanding the distinction between a living will and a last will and testament is essential. While a living will ensures that medical preferences are respected during the end-of-life phase, it does not dictate what happens after death. It is wise for retirees to have both documents in place. This dual approach provides clarity for medical care and asset distribution. After death, the executor named in the last will and testament assumes responsibility for managing the estate. The living will is typically kept as part of the deceased personal records but has no further legal role. Families and healthcare providers will focus on the last will and testament and other estate documents to settle the deceased affairs. In summary, a living will serves its purpose while a person is alive and incapacitated. Once they pass away, it is the last will and testament that takes precedence for managing their estate. Understanding this can help ensure that both medical wishes and estate matters are handled appropriately.